I'm leading everyone in the cleanup process so that we have a less painless move out and that we can more efficiently move into whatever next location we're in.
I'm cleaning up the lab.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's your tasks?
Makes them a lot more reasonable so you can actually see what we have.
Nice.
I'm just cleaning up the lab, getting all the non-essential stuff out of here so we can focus on getting all the essential stuff in one place and finding a home for them.
Awesome. All right, what'd you do today?
So I was considered an essential worker. Pretty much nothing would have got done without me. But I did that pile of stuff right there. I took apart that game piece. Very technical. I did that. I actually organized, put some of these boxes in another box. I took boxes and put them in another box. They're right there. You can